Well, here we are in the big city again, ready to hit the treasure and find us something we can call our own, something valuable, or semi-valuable, as it were. You know, it is trash. Anyway, I'd like to thank all of you pirates and scalawags and ne'er-do-wells and even lawyers. Yeah, I mean, you know, if you happen to tune in to this channel. And I'd like to thank everybody for their amazing donations to the tip jar on the channel, which, of course, will get the little S-15 pickup sailing again, and therefore should enlarge the kind of things we can haul off with, and haul a lot more steel. Anyway, thank you very much, and let's get on with this thing and get some stuff. U-turn. Yeah, that'll work. Let's look at this neighborhood here. It should have some in it somewhere. It should have. And you know, we'll see, right? Aha! Bingo! I mean, scrappo. Not only that, there's a motorcycle in this one. And some bicycles, and oh, I wish I had a pickup right now. I'll show you what I mean. You be quiet. Yes, the keys. I know, I put them there. Just hush up. Okay, I'm gonna have to open the trunk because there's gonna be something here we're taking. No doubt. And a silver Ford. And there it went. Well, look at this, would you? A tiny little motorcycle. No, a real one. One that runs down the road and stuff. They call these pocket bikes because, well, duh, you could almost put it in your pocket, I think, is the deal. Aha. Recycling my butt. You know what that is? That's a Fanta orange that hasn't been opened. I'm going to cool that off severely and sip on it this evening or something. That's what I'm going to do with that. It's not going in the recycling yet. Not until it's just recycling, that is. Look at that. Big piece of wire. Number 1 wire. What in the world is that doing inside a speaker? I don't know. I'd like to find out if there's any more friends of his in there. No, not at all. Darn it. Thought he might have friends. Nope. A couple pieces of wire. A nice Fanta orange, which is the only kind of Fanta to have, is the orange. Okay, grape's pretty good too. Okay, I'll admit it. Oh, here's some of those severely heavy-duty zip ties. No, not for your victims. You put these on wires on your car or something. These black ones like this that are that big are really heavy-duty. They will hold some wires together like crazy, compared to the pretty much clear or white-looking ones that are made out of a different material. See, we can't put these bicycles on board. That's a no-no, and that's too bad. I mean, they're heavy enough, but we just don't have the room. And this little tiny little tricycle thing made out of mostly plastic. No, we don't even have room for this baby here, and it is heavy. But I'll tell you what, looks like it has a lot of wire that doesn't go to it, wrapped all around the handlebars. Let's see what we can do to alleviate that and its pain from it. Yep, this is also, again, it's number 1 wire. No, this is strippings from somebody who stripped the wire. That's cute. Yep. Our strippy friends have stripped the wire and left that. And then they didn't want this. Well, that was dumb. I mean, you know, don't like to denigrate a person I don't even know, but that's what you call number 1 copper wire. Why in the world would you not take number 1 copper wire with you? I mean, it's just one chunk, but they add up. I've got a box full of chunks like this. Yeah. And this stuff pays to strip it. So you have to actually strip it, take all the outer casing off, so it becomes pure copper. Whoa! Don't do that! I almost lost my orange Fanta. There's no explosion, nothing's leaking. Okay, we're good. Whew. They didn't like that because those things foam up like crazy when they hit the ground like that. It's under severe pressure. If we don't mess with it much, we should be okay. What we need to do though is the old tap thing. You ever have something get shook up and you go, oh no, I don't want to open that. I'm not going to play beer hunter and open that thing and be the loser. Well, there's a way around that. Well, let me show you. When you get old, you've learned a few things. Now, I'm not going to open it. That'd be suicide. But if I do this, don't ask me why, but it reduces the pressure like crazy. Ooh, ooh. See? It didn't go. Now it can be opened. And all because of that little tappy tap thing. You can do it with a set of keys or a coin or anything. Oh, it's warm. But it's good. So I'm gonna put this in the cup holder, and when I get home I will put it in a glass with some ice. Okay, I've got cutters in case there's any cord, but I sure don't see anything that looks very inviting here. Inviting or exciting or anything iding with iding on the end. Anything. This is steel and it's hollow, light steel. So if I had a truck again, I'd throw that in the back. It'd be free money. But hauling it in a car just doesn't make any sense. What in the world is this? Oh, it's those hand soap doodads for like your bathroom or service station bathroom or whatever. There's several of them in there, along with the spiders I'm sure that are living in them. What's this one? Clario. Beto Clario. That must mean hand soap dispenser south of the border when they speak it into existence. No, it's been installed before. These are all used ones. And they're plastic, so they don't do me any darn good, but they were groovy to look at, I guess. And we've got to head on, ease on down, as it were, this particular road. And I don't think we should carry anything that might be a hindrance. That's what I was going to say. Yep. Should be a hindrance as we ease on down this particular neighborhood. On this side, this is Clovis Avenue in Clovis, so we're going to make a U-E, which you're not supposed to do, and go right down here by the police station. Yeah, okay. Right down here by the police station, and see if we can go to the right somewhat from where we are, which would be south. And that's sort of the area we haven't been in yet, is this away, which is to the south. Yep. Yes. Speaking of the old cop shop, what does that say? City of Clovis Civic Center. Yes, that's where the police hang out. We're not afraid of them, it's okay, but I'm just saying they hang out there. Let's go this way. There should be more stuff. Oh, there's some over here. Looks like wood, but it's a pile of stuff. that we absolutely have not seen before. Would you stop making all that noise back there? I suppose that's a no? Yeah, it's a no. It's not going to stop making that noise. Okay. So since this had a little bit of garbage on the right, let's go a little further this way where it says dead end. Dead end? No, that's not good. A dead end? That's terrible. It's a dead end. It's a trap. No, it actually is a trap. It's a dead end. That's a horrible kind of trap. Okay, we're going to go to the other corner of this gigantic area that I showed you on the map. See if it happens to be an area that still has lots of stuff in it. If not, we're going to be done here pretty soon. Without stuff, there's not much to do. On video, I mean, for you. And this is all vegetation. We may be getting back into the part we've seen again already, if we go too far this way. Wow. Cactuses and succulents. They're tired of those. They throw them all away, I guess. Let me see here. What else we got? Nope. Yeah, some of this has been picked up. I know what it is because I've run across this before with garbage gobblers. The garbage gobblers like to come early and gobble up half the garbage, and then they only have half of it left to do when they come back. There's a vacuum there, but what are the chances that it'll have a cord on it? None or zero. Because it's somewhere between there, I think. Wait a minute, that's the same thing, isn't it? Well, you know what I mean. I don't think there's going to be a cord on it. But I'll go back and check, because if there is, that's at least 50 cents worth of number 2 copper wire, insulated. So let's go take a look. They may have put it out today for all I know, and if they did, then the people that were here before have not seen it, and we will be the first to see it. But I really doubt it because of the position it's in the pile. Looks like it's been there a while to me. Anyway, here's how we find out. Well, you run down here and take a look at this vacuum. Looks like a Dyson, but it says it's a Eureka. Dyson colors, but it's apparently a Eureka. Eureka! I found a vacuum with the cord chopped off. Eureka! I found it. What? A vacuum with the cord chopped off.
Yeah, there's no shame in our game.
Please
as soon
do.
As everybody started putting stuff out, I get my ass out there and I go look if I can't find something.
Good idea.
Me and the girls, my 7-year-old, I walked my dogs in the evening, you know, and she'd come with me and we went around and looked at stuff and she found a few things she liked. Of course, you wash it, you know, whatever. That's what a washing machine's for, right?
Yeah.
She found a couple little dolls and things that she liked, and my oldest, she's like me. She'll find two pieces of wood and go, ooh, I could make this, you know, and it's, you know, yeah, there's no shame in our dumpster diving game either, man. We go out there and we find stuff.
This all comes from these shoes, these steel toes.
From the...
Yeah, if I hadn't found some then, I would have been out of luck because my shoes, the whole soles were coming off and flapping at me when I walked, and I went, oh, I can't do this anymore. This is crazy. And then the Lord provided, there they were. Okay. We want to try and get on the other side of this street, but not in the industrial area, in the people area, where people houses are. Take this suicide lane to the left. me do a little drive-by on it here. Load the flintlocks. Okay, there we go. Nope, not there. Nothing but grass. Just bunches and bunches of grass. Coup de grass, coupe de grass, coupe de grass. Let me see here. Over here. The air conditioner's barely keeping up. It is hot now. Really hot. I'll bet it's getting near the 3-digit mark. I'm just guessing here. Now I saw a little bit of stuff back there, so it's possible. It's not only possible, it has happened. There is stuff here. At my friend Mark Graves' house. The guy who rebuilds industrial stuff and likes it a lot. And owns antique fire trucks and such. Not a tiny one, big ones. Well, compacted the pile a little bit, that won't hurt anything. My bumper won't care. Let's go take a look, shall we? Where did I put the cutters in case I need them? Oh, they're in my pocket. How convenient. That's very nice. Okay, let's see what Mark has put out here. Might be something I need if it's made out of metal. Well, there's some metal here I could use, but I don't have a pickup. I can use the shorter parts though. Like these. There are a couple of pieces here that are way shorter. And they'll go in the car. Along with this. Coax. Don't want that. Nope. Okay, cool. Well, Mark, at least you left me some stuff that I can fit in the car. Thanks. I always appreciate that. And this thing open? Nope, of course not. Okay. That's all right. We have the cure. It's called reach down here and pull this little thing here. Okay, then it'll work. Pretty easy. Pretty darn easy. Easy schmeezy. There we go. Okay. Cue up to. Well, there's nothing down that way at all. One little tiny pile looks like garden hose. And then this way, there's a few, but they're on the other side of the road. So I can't really judge them from this side. So I'll have to come down the road the wrong direction, which is always nice. The police love that here. That's one thing they really enjoy. Because it gives them a time to get out and make some extra funds for the policeman's ball or his other one or whatever they're doing. You know what I'm saying? They have different concerts and balls and stuff like that, you know. So here we go. Let's just kind of wiggle over here illegally and see what we get. Now, often with a box full of Christmas tree, fake Christmas tree like this, people throw away the green extension cords that go to them because, well, they just throw it all away. Now, if I had a pickup, I could take this in. It's mostly steel weight. The weight in it is steel. The rest of it is fluff. No, there's a little chunk of steel. We'll take that with us. But I see no cords. Somebody's cut all of the cord if there was any in there. And there was, because it wraps around the trees. So you know there was some in there, but somebody got it all. Every speck. That's what I respect. Every speck. Instead of getting part of it and leaving the rest. Okay, let's go down here. 2 more piles to look at from this side where we can see what's in them. Drive by. Yeah, there may be a cord there on that wooden thingy. I don't know exactly what it is. Looks like a TV stand or something. Looks like there may be an actual cord on that. I saw the end of it, but that doesn't mean it isn't cut off at the other end. I'll show you what I mean. Let me see here. Get these things out of my pocket would be nice if they come out. And they sort of, they do. Okay. Got them out of there. That's good. Never know when you're going to need some of those. Okay, any wiring in there? Nope. Very light steel. Somebody's cut the cord on that, of course. What I was looking at was the lighting on this, which is right here. Did somebody cut the cord on that? They did. Cut it awfully long, but they cut it. Well, we'll cut it a little tighter and take that little chunk with us for our trouble. It's just a little teeny chunk. It's nothing, but better than actual nothing, which is nothing. Well, you know what I mean. Never mind. So, this street is done already, right there. That takes care of it. Unless there's something fantastic up here in this little trashed out, horrible looking pile in front of us. Weird things have happened that are weirder, but I don't know when. Let's go take a look. Maybe we can peer down in this box. Yes, plastic and wood. I don't like plastic and wood much. Let's go down here, shall we? Get down here. Oh, here we go. Tire on a steel wheel. That won't do us much good. Hose with the ends cut off. Well, what do we have here? Cement, wood, cardboard, tin. Nope, don't like any of that. Have to be a relatively, you know, high value target before I'll jump out of here, because it's cool in here. And it is all kinds of hot out there. What is it? This looks like it has a cord on it. It looks like a gigantic thick cord. That can't be real. Okay, if it's that thick of a cord, I need the new ones. These babies here. Huh. Is that real? Really? Is it really real? Like they just put it out here, maybe? Yep, sure is. It's a 220. Looks like a water softener, I'm guessing. Some kind of water softener. Watch this, snip. Comes right off with these, but you know, they're only for heavy duty stuff. The little ones work good on everything else. But yeah, that's a heavy cord. It's a 220. Look at that. No, it's not. It's just an extra heavy duty 110. Wow. It's as thick as a 220 cord though. I like that. We'll take that with us. We'll put it in there. See if it can go where we go. I think it can. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. Ugh. Come on now. Quit that. Stop fighting. Thank you. these things sometimes are like children. They just, you know, want to argue and fight and stuff instead of doing what you want them to do. Isn't that how children are? I think I remember that. Of course, mine are 26 and 30 now, so they're almost grown, as I tell them sometimes. That's all wood and cardboard and crap and some cement. This is wood and cardboard and a couch. Not much better, actually. Okay, it's actually probably worse, if anything. Okay, so this right here is wood and plastic. Nope, don't like that. Nothing there. Oh boy. A mirror. Did we just see ourselves go by? I think I did. That was weird. Yeah, that's a mirror, all right. Oh, it's getting cooler in here. It's so much nicer. Okay, let's do a little drive-by on the wrong side of the road here, real quick, before we get arrested or something. Oh, cords. See, Christmas tree with green cords. What did I say? One that guy did not get. I guess it came out later. Okay, let's go take a peek real quick. See what we can get for cord. Cord food time. Cord food time. Look at this. Nice cord on it, see? The rest, not so wonderful, but this cord part, oh, why is it want to be stuck through the box? They made it that way so this could go in that box. Yes, I think so. Well, let's make it this way, upside downy, and see what happens. Oh, that works too, doesn't it? Okay, let's cut this right there. Now we'll have an end that can easily go through. Let's see where it should have to go through too. Right there, for one thing. Okay, flip it over. Has to go through here. And then that part goes down in here to there. I can't tell. It's around the trunk of the tree, as it were, but of course it's not a tree trunk at all. Oh, there it is. It's wire tied to the trunk of the tree right there. Okay, I should have got it. Got it. All right, good. Get it, got it, good. Okay, see? There's the whole schmear right there, and a little extra. They have extension cords that come with them usually. And they're green, and they had an on-off switch that you push with your foot. And I've just proven that. Haha. To those doubters among you. Of course, I don't think I have any doubters in this audience. Well, I mean, that just doubt for fun, just to be doubting. No, I don't think so. You guys are pretty cool for the most part. Oh, wow, another one. Okay. Let's put this one away and cut the next one completely off. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so, cheese. Okay, so, yeah, it's cheese. I know, I'm not trying to, never mind. My alter ego doesn't like it when I accidentally speak Espanol. I guess. I didn't know what his trip is, but he needs to give it up. Okay, so, let's take this thing out of here and wrestle it. That's the way Andre the Giant would have thrown it down. Arrgh. Got mad at it and threw it across the ring and jumped on it. All kinds of, you know, violent things we don't do ever because we're good, nice pirates, that's why. Where's that? There's another one of those holding on. Holder honors right there. Okay, it's not holding on now. Okay, same as with the other one. Only less cutting involved at first. Oh, come on now. All right, enough. If I have to cut you all to little shreds, I will. All right, come on, that's it. All right, fine. Always look in the bottom, because sometimes underneath this is their regular extension cord they used to go over to the tree and hook up to its extension cord, which is this small one. So always look under the tree stuff and see if there's cords in the bottom of the box. It has happened more than once, I will tell you, that I have found them. What is this? Oh, come on now. Why do they wrap these things around everything? Quit doing that. Crazy tree people. Fake tree people, not tree. I know they're fake trees. But they're trees, though. They're just fake trees, yeah. Okay, I got you. All right. Don't argue with me, especially when people are watching. Okay, so, cheese. Shut up. Now we get this thing out of here. Push that around there. Pull this out of there. Stupid light. Get off there, lights. I'd like to have everything but the lights, actually. Everything except the lights. Yeah, that would be nice. You mean like that? Yeah, exactly. Like that. Those won't be Christmas tree lights. I'll clean those 2 or 3 lights off of it. It'll be number 2 wire, which would be way better, price-wise. Okay, let's see what we got over here. We've got a box with some legs in it. No table, just legs. Okay, that's good. Got this thing. Looks like some kind of a Hot Wheels doodad. The ultimate corkscrew tower from Hot Wheels, I think. You know when they can't clean a kid's room out, sometimes they throw out money because rich people don't care about little bits of money. They want tons of it. So when they come across quarters and pennies and dimes and nickels, they throw it out with the kids' old toys that they don't want to have either. Yeah. No, it's happened, really. You wouldn't think so. I understand that. I mean, rich or not, who throws away money? End up watering things. Here's the end of the regular hose that I saw earlier. It's here too. Okay. 1, 2. Should be 2 more. One would hope. Oh, someone cut that a long time ago. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I got another end. Well, instead of a hose with 2 hoses with 4 ends, we got 2 hoses with 3 ends, but I'm not going to complain. I'm just going to pick up all the loose ends. Yeah, that's what I call them, the loose ends. Good, huh? And put them in the car. But first, let's go across the street here. No, I mean front first. We'll go across the street here. But first, we need to check this here dishwasher for possible value. Nope. Got the breastfitting. Got most of the wire. Almost all of it. They left the motor that time. I'm not playing with the motors. Too much trouble for too little weight. Okay, there we go. And now this vacuum, I'm sure, is cut. Panasonic. Really? Really? The cord is supposed to be in here. It has a little plug thingy, like, plug it into here. There's nothing there to plug it into, though. So, I give up on that. We're just gonna get back in the car and see what else we can find in this here area, which seems plentiful with goodies, so I like it. I like it just fine. Yeah, that's it. Fine. Ugh. Throw that in there. Okay. A couple of piles here, they don't look very good. But I'll do a cursory drive-by on them and see what I can see. Nope, 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 no. It's all bad stuff. How about this vacuum over here? Has it been relieved of its life source? Well, almost. They cut it long though. They didn't have time to get this other 1.5 foot of cord. So since they didn't have time, we'll take it with us, I guess. Might as well, huh? Let's go grab it. Make like a rabbit and grab it. And somebody drinks Crown Royal. I don't know who, but apparently they drink a lot of it at one time. I'm not here to judge. I'm here to get this piece of wire. These idiots left stuck in there for some reason. Well, it's more like a foot and not a 1.5 foot, but you know, it's something. Piece of wire. I knew somebody had already been gotten to it. Anyway, that way it looks like a lot of vegetation, but we'll just go take a quick cursory look from closer than we are now. And perhaps we will divine some type of value from it that someone else hath not seen. It's possible. Let's take a look. Oh, this is it's a trap! That's a cul-de-sac. Oh, the dreaded cul-de-sac. Always in this area, the cul-de-sacs. Look at this vegetation, but I'm sure that's all it is. Oh, yes, that's all vegetation. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, okay, fine. So what are we doing? We're going out this way a little bit. Check this street, which is more of a main street, this one here. So perhaps there's something on it that I don't see. What? No. I thought I saw some wire sticking out. Oh, it's that Christmas tree. In fact, it's that same one we already killed first. The very first one we killed. And that's that stuff we already did. And that stuff we already did. And I don't know, I'm getting tired of stuff we already did. This is all stuff we already did. And we'll go this way, which we haven't did. So yeah, maybe there's some newer stuff here on this larger type street. Larger, more busier type street here. Well, let's look down that neighborhood. I don't see anything down there, unfortunately. But around here, in Sierra, there are things. They just probably aren't things of any value. That isn't. Thought we'd let that car go since it had a place to go, and we don't. We're looking for stuff. We don't really have a set destination. Destination scrap value. Oh, you can get copyrighted for that too. Never mind. Anyway, destination scrap value. That's where we're at. We're getting there. Dreaded cul-de-sac with nothing in it though, I can see, so I don't have to go down there and get trapped. Besides, it wasn't really a trap. I mean, you know, I saw it coming. It's not like a surprise trap kind of thing. Yeah, this is the back side of the same garbage we saw earlier. But now, I did not go through this part here and that part there, so I'll take a look real quick. There might be something in there we want. You never know. Okay, let's go have at it, shall we? Door, I'm getting out. Don't close when I'm getting out. Close after I get out. Yeah, see how that works? Stupid door. Well, this bench is all wood. I was hoping for one with cast iron on it, because I like cast iron. Not really into wood. It doesn't make me money or do anything wonderful for me. Well, let's look at this box. After all, it's a box. You never know what's in a box till you look. Then you know. Okay, let's look. Okay. If you insist, we'll look in the box. Ah! Dirt and plant material. Mostly dirt. I don't like that box, Sam I am. I would not eat anything in that box, like green eggs or maybe ham. Alright, let's get out of here. What's maybe ham anyway? Oh, that's the stuff they chop it all up and put it back together and squish it through something, and then it's supposed to be ham, but it's not really, because you can tell there's no bone in it. There's no discernible fat because it's all mixed into it with some slurry from Little Lisa. That's what maybe ham is. It's not really ham, but parts of it are ham, so maybe ham. Maybe. Okay, let's go down the other end of this busy street type thing here and see if they have any giganto piles or anything. Well, in the neighborhood there's some right here. It doesn't look very big, but it's a pile. It's not the bigness of your pile, it's the quality that attracts me. Okay, does that have a cord? Well, the place it's supposed to be hanging is empty, so I'd say probably no, but I'm going to take a quick look just to make sure that I haven't left an entire vacuum cord. Hey, is that a squirrel right there? Yeah, I think it is. It doesn't seem very afraidish, does it? Seems like a tame squirrel where you'd have your own squirrel kind of a deal. Squirrel, are you somebody's squirrel? Squirrel, are you somebody's squirrel? I ask it. What is this, the Wildlife Channel suddenly? Oh, how cute. Look how cute. Okay, alright, I'm done with that. But it was cute. It was really cute. Yeah, I think the cord is, yep, long gone. Chopped off nice and long, about 3 inches hanging out of the bottom of it. Yeah, that doesn't help me much. Nope, not at all. Oh, come on now. Like that. One right here. And you can make short work of this stuff. Okay, there's one over here, looked a little longer. Oh yeah, these are longer pieces. Boy, did they put any of it on the house, or did they just put it in the garbage? It's a lot of pieces. Okay, one there. Okay. Let's see what we can do with the automatic aluminum smasher. What did I do with the keys? I put them in my pocket. Why? Why? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's pop the trunk. Put our flattened, thin, nice little pieces of aluminum in it. See what I mean? Now that, for packing purposes, is an improvement. Yep. All aluminum. Lovely aluminum. I like aluminum. It's very nice. Kind of hot though from sitting up in the top of that dumpster in the sunshine. Now it takes up this much room. Which is way better than if I'd tried to put all that stuff in here before. It would not have fit. Get over that way. Quit messing with me. You too. There, see? Okay. See how many more of those are in there. Now I've got my appetite whetted. I need to whet my gathering skills. Ow! This thing's hot. It's like it's made out of steel or something. No, really. Ridiculously hot. Wow, this steel bin out here in the sun is getting uncomfortable to hang on to, let me tell you. Really uncomfortable to hang on to. Like, really, like a lot. Like, I don't want to hang on to it. Uncomfortable to hang on to. Leave me not forget, we're in California, so plastic bottles count. Okay, let's get these. See if we can get this all in one shot here. the trunk. Pop the trunk again. There we go. Okay. Aluminum smasher at the ready. Aluminum smasher and forward. Smash aluminum. Let's see what we got. Huh. Works pretty slick, don't it? Two, 3, 4, 5. This goes in here. This one goes here. Okay, there we go. 2 small ones on top. Put it all in here. See if there's anything else that interests me at all. I don't think there will be really, but you know, gotta look. Nothing there, that's for sure. How about this side? Nope, cardboard boxes. Lots of new stuff came in cardboard boxes, and now it's installed in the house, so that doesn't do much for me. This one full of concrete does absolutely nothing for me. Weird. You'd think that would turn me on slightly. Nope. Concrete doesn't get my goat. My goat is eternally not got by that concrete. In fact, my goat has shrunk up and run away because of that concrete. I don't want to see a goat do that. Ugh. They don't exactly separate those when this goes in. They put it in the landfill because it's mostly cardboard. So why would they bother to do anything else with it? What's this? A survivor? Where did they bury the survivors? That's a good joke. It's an old one, but it's a good one. Okay, let's put this here. See if we can just scoop this up off the road and get the heck out of here, because we're done here. It's the only thing of value I saw. Yep, there it is. little more compact now. Put it right in there. But these aren't cleanup things. This is somebody's remodel. So I guess we're out of stuff that we wanted to look at, really. Okay. I believe that's going to be an ending pretty soon if we can't find... Oh, there's another pile up there. Let's see what that one looks like. Ah, yes. Another great pirate voyage in the big city, in the can. I think we found some things that would impress, well, maybe Junior Samples, if he were still alive. Probably not anyone famous or rich or anything. But the point is, we found some things that we can definitely use. Thank you very much for coming along on the voyage. Hope to see you again next time. Scrap Pirate Roberts, out.